Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So I am starting my weekend vlog. It is Friday, and can you guys tell where we are? St. Augustine, our new favorite spot, because we're going to Harry's, and we looked up, we got a really good parking spot right across the street. So see y'all inside. All right, y'all, we came all the way here and the restaurant doesn't open until 4 o'clock. So sad.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you worn out sweat.
Okay, y'all, so we made it back home. We ended up going to a place called Graffiti Burger. Tony has been wanting to try that place for a while, so we decided to stop there. It was just okay. I wouldn't recommend it. Tony didn't really like it either, so yeah. Saturday, game day.
Puppy juices. You know, you gotta wait. Yes, so I have 2 channels. The first one is Black Denim, that's BLCK Denim. Also Ryan So Banjo, that's RyanSoBange.
I'll have it in the description box for y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're in the car. The boys did win the game. So me and my brother, he's here. But he's shy. We're going to grab a bite to eat and maybe have like a few drinks. So we're gonna go to this restaurant called Pussers here in Ponte Vedra. If you guys are from Jacksonville, it's right next to Ruth Chris. So that's where we're headed. Y'all, it's raining. It's so bad. Come on, my brother holding the umbrella. He's not doing a good job though. I'm still getting wet. Okay, y'all, so now we're at a cigar bar. It's called Island Girl Cigar, something like that. It's nice and chill. Oh, yes. try the Shiseido sunscreen today. I love the way that this looks on my skin. I wish I would have bought this a long time ago because it's not like a lotion, it's more like an oil, but it leaves a nice sheen on your skin. I haven't tried it on my face just yet. It is for face and body, but to be honest, I'm a little nervous about trying it on my face just because I don't know if it's gonna leave, like, you know, my face looking really oily or not. But I'm gonna try it on a day that I don't have anything to do. But y'all need to try this. It's bomb.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So right now I'm at my parents' house. They're cooking Sunday dinner, of course, and I'm here to eat. So Ryan, you cooking or mama?
I'm cooking.
Ryan's cooking, so I'm here for the food. But it's super early in the morning. I just decided to come over here and just hang out with them for the day. It's very rainy, so we'll probably just hang out, eat, watch movies, just chill out. So that's what I'm doing right now. Little Tony didn't come with me because his cousin is over for the weekend. That's what that ice cream was for last night. I don't eat ice cream like that. So I know y'all was like, oh my God, this girl is taking shots and then eating ice cream. The ice cream wasn't for me. What about these? Oh, that's shoulder.
It's like these. Yeah, the flat top ones, they're not really all that. That's why they cost this much.
Yeah. And they look like more fat than anything.
Yeah.
Ryan said the food's gonna take 5 hours. Starving over here. This is where Ryan gets his crawfish from, the farmer's market, and I want some. Have fresh whiting, speckle, what is this? Redfish.
I'm gonna say
Okay, y'all, so we're in the car, me and my little sister. We're on our way to the mall because I wanted to just look for like some little graphic tees. Most of my graphic tees are like either faded or I had spray paint on them when I was doing my little DIYs. So I need like just like some shirts that I can just throw on. So we're gonna go to the mall. It's 3:02. The food probably won't be ready until like later on tonight. So we got a little bored. Kalila just found her remote for her, was it Hulu?
For my TV.
Oh, for the TV.
So you know my Netflix and my Hulu and stuff, that's built into my TV.
Oh, okay.
I had to find that remote.
Yeah. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all some of the shirts that I found. So we got these from Spencer's. So I just got this Aaliyah shirt. I thought that this one was really cute. And then I got this Biggie Small and Puff Daddy. I like this one. So this is nice. And then this is from Rue 21. Rue 21 always have really cute graphic tees. So I bought this Ice Cube one because I have this one that I got from Walmart. It's just like this picture right here, but it's faded at the bottom, or it got, I think I got some bleach or something on it, but it just has this picture right here and I love it. So yeah, got this one. Ice Cube actually reminds me of my husband. He kind of looked like Tony to me. And then I just got this little Tupac shirt, and again, this is just something just to, you know, when I'm just chilling and I need to grab something to put on. So yeah. And then I did pick up 2 pair of jeans from Old Navy, but I left those in the car. So I'll show you guys those later. Okay, and these are the ones that Kalila got because she's a whole city girl, period. So she got this one, and these are from Spencer's. There's the tag. She got this one, really cute. And then she also got the one with Aaliyah. She actually picked hers up first, and I thought it was really cute, so I got one too. Really cute. Same Tupac shirt. We both have this one. Tupac, keep your head up, you know. And then she got the Boys in the Hood with Ice Cube sitting on his 6'4", period. I think that's a 6'4", girl. I don't know. I know that's in the wrap, so I just thought that's what it was. And then she bought these really cute hot pink Crocs. These are so cute. And Kalila has a really small foot, so the Crocs don't come in a half size. So the 7 was the one that was on display, but her foot hung out just a little bit, so she just got an 8. But they are so cute. So yeah, she's gonna order the gibbets from Amazon. All right, y'all, so here is dinner. We have some macaroni and cheese, oxtails, rice, and what kind of greens? College greens.